Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. So it's either raining or about to rain, depending where you are on the sunny coast. And it will probably keep raining through the night before breaking up late tomorrow. Then on Sunday, a monster swell and gale force southerly wind will blow the milk out of our teacups and we'll be thinking, is this really spring? The legacy of warm nights continues across southeast Queensland. At Maroochy Airport, our minimum temp was a muggy 15 degrees, but clouds obviously put a damper on daytime temps. Let's look at the satellite loop. A lot happening. Big, massive middle cloud that's formed ahead of an upper-level trough, exactly as expected. Already through the Birdsville races, there's been all this unseasonal rain, and that air mass is gradually moving towards us, so we got some idea what we're in for. Probably later tomorrow afternoon to the evening, it'll start breaking up as the upper-level trough moves offshore. Today's chart, remember, this is just the surface. It only tells you a small part of the picture. We've got a little low that's formed on a surface trough. More importantly, it's a three-dimensional trough. It gets more, basically stronger as we move into a higher atmosphere, and it's scooping up all that moist middle level air, producing that big sheet of cloud that's about to encroach on us now and has already started raining. It's being fed by the moisture in those easterly winds. Tomorrow's chart, the trough already probably by mid-morning afternoon starts to shift off the coast, and you can notice this east coast low starting to form. That's what we're worried about, because once the rain does break on Sunday, you can see that low really deepens, becomes a major system. We'll probably get gale force winds from this and very large swells. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. A strong wind warning's already been issued for 20 to 30 knot southwesterlies following tomorrow's frontal passage. Those winds could reach gale force by Sunday, up to 35 knots over a 4-metre swell. We're coming up to neap tide pretty soon, Sunday in fact, so tides are pretty gentle right now. This is very good fortune, considering the potentially erosive swells we're soon to experience. Now, the Southeast Coast District, a rainy day with possible thunderstorms. Maroochydore, 13 to 20 degrees. Nambour and Gympie, just 19. And looking ahead for Sunday, Sunday onwards, I should say, a terrific wind from the southwest will cut through the cloud, whip up the seas and throw us briefly back into winter. Showers will make a return, though, from Tuesday. And that brings to a close the first week of spring. A very short week, of course, only 3 days. Hope tomorrow's rain isn't too annoying, and I hope the sun comes out for us on Sunday. I don't usually talk this way, but after such a damp winter, some of us could use a few weeks of dry weather. See you Monday. Here's Robbie with the word on the waves.
Thanks, Livio. A few fun waves around during the week. We have got some strong winds coming up over the weekend, though. We are expecting south to southwesterly winds, and they're going to get up over 20 knots, particularly on Sunday. They're going to build through tomorrow up around that 20 knots in the afternoon, but on Sunday up around that 25 knot plus mark according to the forecast. We are still expecting around that metre mark of easterly swell at about 8-second intervals before a south-southeasterly swell kicks in Sunday afternoon into Monday. Now, with the southwesters kicking in, the better place we're checking for wave, Alexandra Bay, down around Coolum and the Bays. Other than that, northern Maroochydore through to Alex, and on the southern end, definitely we're checking between Moffat, Sticky Beach and Curramundi. Now, for swimming, all beaches are going to be open up and down our coastline. The water is hovering just under 20 degrees. Please stay safe. Only swim between the red and yellow flags. Have a wonderful weekend across the coast beaches. Now it's back to you, Rob.
Well, Robbie, thank you, mate. Have a wonderful Father's Day Sunday, won't you? We'll see you back on Monday night. From the team, take care. Good night.